Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm
Hey you guys, today I'm bringing you a tutorial on these beautiful 30-inch Bali butterfly locks. And yes, I am very excited because Janet Collection sent me this hair and I already know it's going to look amazing. So let's get right into it. So of course you want to start off by braiding your hair. I have 38 braids and I did free parts because I don't have perfect part patience. That's only for my clients. I went ahead and did majority of my hair off camera. You want to take your crochet hook, put it through your braid. Then you want to open the loop of the lock and hook it on. Close the hook and pull the loop through your braid. Once you pull the loop through your braid, you want to open the loop and pull your braid through that loop. And that's it. I'm just going to continue with the process of pulling the loop through my braid and pulling the braid through the loop. I'm going to continue this until all my locks are on. Here I'm just showing you that you don't want to put the crochet hook through the root of your braid, only because when you start wrapping, it can get very bulky, and I don't want any of that bulkiness. That's just not the look I'm going for. That's why you crochet it through the braid instead, so when you start wrapping, it'll lay. You don't want stiff, bulky looking locks. And y'all know what I mean when I say stiff and bulky looking. Now that I'm done adding all my locks, only thing left to do is to start wrapping. I like to use the pre-fluff spring twist hair. So I take the pre-fluff spring twist hair, and all I'm doing is placing the spring twist hair at the root, and I begin wrapping the root about 2 to 3 times. It doesn't need to be super tight, just tight enough where you feel it's secure. Then you continue wrapping down. I don't use any nail glue or any freeze spray to secure the ends. You'll see that the hair does not unravel. My pre-fluff spring twist hair was super long, and I don't need it to be that long. I just need it long enough to cover my braids. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it in half, and yeah. We're just going to continue wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until all your braids and locks, mainly braids, are covered.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah.
Woo! Finally on our last lock. I'm telling you guys, this style did not take long at all. The longest part of this style was me braiding my hair. And you know how it is when you gotta look at the back of your head. And voila! Thank you again to Janet Collection for sending me this hair to review. I am in love. 30-inch Bali butterfly locks. You guys better go get you some. Get into the edges. You know I can't forget about the edges. You know the edges is the best part. Okay, ladies, comment below on what tutorials you would like to see me do next. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in my next video.